Most people think you have to pay a fortune or be a VIP to get the best rooms, but that's not true. There's actually a clever strategy to scoring incredible upgrades. So if you've ever dreamed of traveling like a VIP, enjoying luxury, comfort, and exclusive perks, without blowing your budget, you're in the right place. Stick around because these insider secrets will completely change the way you book hotels from now on. Let's dive right in and start with the first and possibly the most important secret to unlocking amazing hotel upgrades. Here's tip number 1, and it's all about timing your check-in. Most travelers don't realize that when you arrive at a hotel can make a huge difference in the kind of room you get. Here's the tip. Don't rush to the desk at 2 p.m. with everyone else. That's the official check-in time, and it's when the lobby is packed with guests all eager to get their rooms. The staff is busy, the lines are long, and everyone is just trying to get through the chaos as quickly as possible. Instead, check in between 3 and 6 p.m. This is the sweet spot, the magical window when things start to calm down. After the rush is over, they've had time to sort out the day's arrivals and departures, and can see which suites or corner rooms haven't been claimed. Remember, hotels want those empty suites filled, so if you ask politely and are patient, you're much more likely to get a complimentary upgrade or a better room simply because they have the time to accommodate your request. That brings us to tip number 2. If you're hoping for a room upgrade or special treatment, here's a game-changing tip. Skip the third-party booking apps and go straight to the source. While it might seem convenient to use those popular hotel booking platforms, they're not always your best bet if you want to maximize your chances of getting something extra during your stay. Here's why. Hotels pay hefty commissions, sometimes up to 30%, to those third-party sites every time you book through them. That's a big chunk of their profit going elsewhere. So use the apps to compare prices, read reviews, and check out photos. But when it's time to book, always go direct. I like tip number 3 because your credit card could be your ticket to a better room. Many travel cards offer instant elite status or guaranteed upgrades at major hotel chains. Just having the right card can flag your reservation for special treatment. Some cards even offer perks like free breakfast or hotel credits, just for booking with them. Check your card's benefits before you travel. You might already have hidden VIP status. The right card can pay for itself with just one upgrade. Moving on to tip number 4, don't forget to join the hotel's loyalty program before you book. It's free, takes minutes, and instantly sets you apart from non-members. Even at the basic level, you're more likely to get a better room or perks. Hotels love rewarding loyalty, even if you're a first-timer. Always attach your member number to your reservation. You'll earn points for future stays and boost your upgrade chances every time. Never book without joining the loyalty program. And finally, tip number 5 is ask nicely. I know you're tired and chaos at the airport is the worst, but be friendly, polite, and genuine with the front desk staff. Mention if you're celebrating something special, but never demand. Just ask if any complimentary upgrades are available. A little kindness and gratitude go a long way. Even if there's no special occasion, a simple, "If there's anything available, I'd really appreciate it," works wonders. Unfortunately, hotel staff deal with so many unpleasant guests that they actually remember the nice ones, and will often reward them if possible. Sometimes a smile and friendly attitude can be your best upgrade tool. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 tips to get you out of a standard room and into a suite. Use even one, and your upgrade chances will skyrocket. Try these on your next trip, and let me know your results in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more travel secrets. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.